So I've got this old anvil here. It's a Wright anvil. I don't know what weight and stuff it is, but it needs a bit of a tidy up. So I'm gonna strip all the rust and stuff off it, and then I'm gonna give it a paint and make it look a bit nicer. So there it is there, as it starts off. Get into it. So I've cleaned it up as much as I sort of can with the wire wheel on the end of a grinder. As you can see, you can just make out Wright. I found a number 6 there, and then lower there's a W there, and I assume that it's probably a bit dark, but that I think that's another W there. I don't know anything about these anvils, so if you do know anything, leave us a comment, and yeah, be pretty helpful. So that's as far as I'm going to take it down. I'm just going to paint over all that now. In my opinion, there's no need to. It's an anvil. I'm not going to take it right down to bare metal. Just paint over all that with a anti-rust paint, and then be pretty much done with it. I'm not going to do anything to the top there. Up here, it's all fine for what I need it for anyway. So it's just giving it a new look and a bit of a protective paint coat. Right, so I have given it a quick wipe down. I'm going to mask the top, and then I'm going to paint it with this Kill Rust epoxy gloss enamel. This doesn't need a primer or anything, so I'm going to go with that. So just while we're waiting for that red paint to set up a bit, I wonder if anyone can tell me in the comments what this anvil is. I've tried to clean away a bit of the previous owner's paint there, but I can't find any markings or symbols or anything. The only thing I did find is down here, if you can make it out, if it'll focus, there's a little, right there's a little anchor. It's the only marking I can find. I haven't cleaned this one up yet because it's already been painted, but if anyone knows, yeah, leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what it is. I reckon that looks pretty good. Take some of this tape off. Yeah, that's not bad. That looks good. That'll do the trick for what we want. So I reckon that looks pretty good. We'll let that properly set up and I'll chuck it back in its home. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to it, like it, share it, and yeah, leave a comment. Cheers.